Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Definition of Tajweed: At-tahsin wal ityana bil jayyid means the literal meaning of Tajweed to beautify, adorn, and do something in an excellent manner. The terminological meaning of Tajweed: هو علم يبحث فيه عن مخارج الحروف وصفاتها وعن طرق تصحيح الحروف وتحسينها means it is the science in which the makharij means the points of articulation of the letters and their sifat and discuss as well as the method of correcting their pronunciation and beautifying them. Next, the topic of the science of Tajweed. The topic of the science of Tajweed is the letters of the Arabic alphabet. There are 29 letters from Alif to Ya. Next, the purpose of the science of Tajweed. The purpose of the science of Tajweed is to recite the Holy Quran correctly in the Arabic accent with Tajweed and to avoid wrong and incorrect recitation if the pleasure of Allah is intended in performing these matters, then it will become a means of success in both worlds.